Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Because of all the coronavirus pandemic going on all over the world, it has been a very stressful few weeks for me. Most of the people I'm talking to nowadays are themselves coronavirus positive or their family members are suffering from COVID. So in my today's video I decided to share few tips with you which can help you stay calm and positive throughout this pandemic. So friends, my tip number 1 is consume limited and mindful content. For many of us, social media is essential part of our lives. When I looked back and analyzed what is keeping me awake in the night is all about this news, statistics about COVID in each state, knowing that people are not able to cope. Even though these data are statistically correct, we need to understand that there are many people recovering from COVID also getting the vaccination and being safe. By limiting our content consumption and be mindful about what we are watching and hearing will keep us in peace. My tip number 2 is protect your family and friends. Life insurance is one of the underrated thing in our day-to-day life, so we need to consider which can protect our lives and our families too. When our loved ones are suffering, the last thing we want to worry is money. Many good and COVID protection life insurance available in the market. Please search a little bit and protect yourself. My tip number 3 is to stay calm and positive is spend time with nature. Nature has so much to offer. Spend at least half an hour in a day with nature. Colorful nature, freshness in the air, chirping birds will bring so much calmness and positivity. My tip number 4 is take care of your holistic health. Knowing your mind and body is in your control is the best thing to keep you in peace. Since most of the things are now available online, you can see many doctors, fitness enthusiasts are taking lots of classes on yoga, breathing exercise, and fitness. Most of the things are just half an hour or 1 hour a day. What you eat is directly have an impact on your body and mind. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables in your diet and stay healthy. Talk to your friends frequently to make sure your emotional well-being is maintained. A good conversation with your friend can solve many of your problems. My fifth tip to stay positive is to celebrate small things. Yes, you heard it right. Even though it seems like everything is going in negative direction in your life, it is these small moments that brings happiness and positivity in your life. Plan for small celebration for your birthdays or anniversaries or any other festivals that is around the corner. If you are not able to find the occasion, make one for yourself. Maybe it is brewing up a good tea or your child is performing better. Make small effort to appreciate and celebrate. My sixth tip is help in whatever way you can. When you're trying and knowing that you are doing everything that's in your hand will bring some kind of good feeling. You can donate money, food, essentials to the people who are in need. Also, you can talk to the people over the phone. You can suggest some good movies and suggest some good lifestyle changes as well. There will be plenty of option for volunteering as well. My seventh tip is to take one day at a time. All these our lives we planned our future, we planned our money, travel and so many other things. In the current situation, making all those plans and decisions will surely makes us anxious. So friends, instead of doing all those heavy plans, we can still be grateful for whatever we are having and live a slow life and take each day slowly. Just be aware that everything will pass and this situation will pass too. I have these little plants inside my home. Watering them, taking care of them is the good way to start your day, also good way to end your day. My eighth and last tip of the day is follow a hobby. It can be anything of your choice: reading a book, writing a letter, doing anything artistic, or learning a new skill. Your favorite hobby will keep your mind occupied. Hobby also breaks your monotonous routine and gives you kind of achievement feeling. So friends, these are all my tips to stay calm and positive during the pandemic. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.